Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use my blocks in Scratch. My blocks are powerful tools that let you define your own custom code blocks, making your projects much more organized and efficient. You can easily create a new block by navigating to the My Blocks category in the palette and selecting Make a Block. This feature is incredibly useful for breaking down large problems into smaller, manageable pieces, improving clarity and reusability across your entire project. When you define a new block, a window appears where you can name it and add inputs. These inputs, such as number or text, Boolean or string, allow your block to be flexible and accept different values each time it is called. For example, you might add a number input for a move steps block. Also, consider checking the Run Without Screen Refresh option for blocks that perform quick, sequential actions, as this can significantly speed up your project's execution. After defining your custom block, it will appear in the My Blocks category, ready for use. Simply drag and drop it into your script, just as you would with any other Scratch block. If your block has inputs, remember to provide the correct arguments, such as a specific number or a piece of text, when you use it. This allows your custom block to perform its defined actions with the data you supply, making your code modular and easy to manage. To maximize the power of my blocks, consider reusing them across different sprites in your project. This promotes consistency and reduces redundant coding. Always use clear, descriptive names for your blocks, like Draw Square instead of Block 1, to make your scripts easier to understand for yourself and others. Breaking down large, intricate tasks into several smaller, focused custom blocks is a best practice that significantly improves project organization and debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.